Welcome everybody. This is Ali Rathor from TechRat TV. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can actually fix the facing axis if you export any 3D model from Blender to Unity. Now you must have faced this issue that if you even download a 3D FBX and import it in Unity, and if you use it in your game, it's always facing the wrong way. So I'm going to teach you how you can fix it with a quick tutorial in less than 1 minute after the intro. So we are back. So this is my model that I've designed in Blender. So for example, you can use any model that you download from the internet or anywhere else. I'm going to select it all without the camera, file, click export and go to FBX. So now with the setting, I'll leave the path mode to auto, batch mode to off, it's by default. Limited to the selected object, you need to click that one. And then coming back, scale is 1.0, it's up to you how much you can scale. Apply scaling to all locals. Forward is -Z and up is Y. So I've checked all these three to apply transform, apply unit and use transform. I'm not baking any animation. If you guys have animation, you can bake that animation as well. So I'm going to export this in my folder. So this is the stylized character that we have. I'm going to go to my Unity. So this is the character. I'm going to repeat the process again so everybody can understand. So all I need to do is drag it into the assets folder that I have. Now if I click it at the moment and I drag it to my Unity, you'll see it's facing the other way by default, the camera. So what we're going to do is for any model, 3D model, just select it, go to the models tab and check the bake axis conversion. So bake axis conversion, that's the checkbox that you need to check. Then scroll down and click the apply button. Once you've clicked the apply button, it'll actually bake the axis to the Z1. So in Unity, if somebody doesn't know, they basically, I'm going to show it to you guys. So Z is the other way and -Z is the one they're facing. So we're just going to drag it inside and now you can see it's facing towards the camera. So any 3D models that you drag into your Unity could be your assets, environment assets, could be the character as well. So you can point where they are facing as well. So I hope this is going to be helpful in your project. This was a quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and if you want to support the channel, you can join our Patreon as well, where we give off a lot of free stuff. And for our paid tier, we give one-on-one sessions as well. Or if you want to commission a game for your project, you guys can contact us on techrat.com. I'll punch in the WhatsApp number in the description as well. I hope this helps you guys. Take care and bye-bye.